so much time out here getting the worms off of it.
Oh, yeah.
God, it was terrible. They would be curled up in the leaf, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So many of them.
I'm surprised they can get up the pot. You know, I'm surprised they can get up the pot.
No, it's their something laid.
There's more. You want some more?
Oh,
Oh, really?
Yeah, something would lay their eggs because you would. But it was just little tiny eggs. The leaf would curl around it.
Oh,
and
I
then
see.
as it hatched, I don't know what it is.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah.
Reinforcements. Second Battalion reporting, sir.
And it's still bearing.
Yep.
You
Here,
see
Mom, give me some.
Yeah, you see the blooms?
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. I know mine still have blooms on them, but I think we had a frost last night, so.
He ain't getting none over here.
It's faster than the other one.
Gee, I wonder who the boss is.
Chase them all.
We have discovered the alpha.
Can you get it? The crane get it? Yeah.
Yeah, I got one.
I'm getting it. Big Daddy.
Yeah, he's passing us.
You videotaping it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, making noise at them now, are you?
My wife will be very jealous.
I would imagine so.
All right. Oh, that one didn't work.
Good now.
Hi, Julie. Hi, enjoy your oxy.
Oh, this?
No, she's been,
Oh, that's right, with her leg pains, yeah.
yeah, I didn't tell you that Callie jumped up on the bed right on top of her incision and then actually clawed at it trying to get up on the bed. Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Oh,
I believe that is the loudest I've ever heard my wife scream.
I bet. Oh, my God.
Harold gave her more oxy.
It's nuts.
Give me drugs, put me to sleep.
See how close we come.
Work it up, work it up. A little closer.
You didn't see it.
Try again.
I don't want to bite you.
No.
Snap at you.
Sweet.
Such a gruesome looking head.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about that close.
Yeah, I think that's about it. So I'm not gonna.
Get it. Get it. Oh. Get it. Ah, good job.
When you throw one to the alpha while he's distracted, then you throw one to the other one.
Right, yeah.
He's,
Yeah,
he's so fast though.
Throw them in one direction and then the other.
Right, yeah. Throw 'em with each hand.
I'm not that good.